Pretty slow day for me today. Uh, just in a range the entire day, and that's not something I'm comfortable trading. So, looking for a buy here just to maybe swing it up. I'm not sure if I'm forcing it. I'm trying to keep to my trade a day rule. So, it's possible that it's a forced trade, but um, I'm gonna go with the edge here. I think we're gonna go a bit higher. So, I'm gonna take a long for a swing. I'll try to hold it to my target up here. The only way I'll exit is if we get a lot of selling pressure in here. So even if this bar closes down here, I won't exit. I'm gonna hold it for the full swing unless we get multiple bars of selling pressure. So maybe 2, 3, 4 bear bars um, closing on their lows. Then I'll look to exit. For a scalp, normally I would exit right now, but this is more of a swing, so I'm willing to let it work a bit in the middle here and see if we can get some more upside. Okay, so that's a pretty big breakout there. I'm gonna try to get out with a smaller loss now. I thought I had a chance here on this breakout, but when that didn't go and then we got this big bear bar, I figure it's gonna stop me out anyway, so I tried to take an opportunity to get a smaller loss. This was a tough trade for me. I mean, it's even tough for me to do an analysis on this because it wasn't like an exact setup I was waiting for. It was just something where the market was moving slowly today and I looked for some kind of edge and thought we might get a bull flag here and go higher. So I waited for the bull flag. I thought we might go on this bar, and then when we reversed strongly down, I figured it was probably going to stop me out. Looks like I was right to get out with a smaller loss here because it would have stopped me out and went a lot lower. This is another example of a swing trade that I lost. That's probably 4 or 5 now. And I think the reason I'm struggling with swing trades is because a lot of my trades are catching the last bit of a move. So, for example, here, had I bought here and a bit lower, there was enough of a bounce to get out for a scalp. So the way I trade is that I'm looking for the last bit of a move where we go a little bit higher or at least go sideways to make a scalp. So I was right to buy here. Had I bought a bit lower, we did go sideways enough to get out for a scalp. But in terms of a swing trade, it might have been better to look for a short up here. So here, for example, this trend is broken with this bar, and then you get a break of a bear flag here, and that leads to the downside. So maybe I should be looking for shorts up here, and maybe stop trying to convert these small moves that are meant to be scalps into long swings.